Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we open colors. First we open the color of yellow. Yellow color. The next one is green color. The color of green. And the next one is blue color. The color of blue. Kids, the next one is white color. White color. The next one is red. Now we are opening the color of red. The next one is black color. The color of black. Kids, today we draw alphabets A to Z and numbers. First we draw alphabets A. The next one is B. B. C. D. F for fish. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. And the next one is P. Q. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabets A to Z. Now we are opening colors. First we are opening the color of yellow. Yellow color. And the next one is green color. The color of green. Kids, the next one is red color. Now we're opening the color of red. Red. And the next one is white color. The color of white. And the next one is black. The color of black. The last one is blue color. Kids, now we're opening the color of blue. Blue color. Now we're opening black color. The alphabet of A. B. C. D.
S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my
G.
ABCs.
The next one is
time,
H.
won't you sing with me?
I. J.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S
M.
T U V W X Y and
N.
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
P.
with me?
Q. R. S. T. U. V. W.
A B C
X.
D E F G
Y.
H I J
And the last one is
K
Z.
L M N O P Q
Thank you so much for
R S
watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.